Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial on how to create realistic AI videos with Luma Dream Machine. And if you haven't heard of it already, Luma AI is a groundbreaking AI video generator that's taking the digital world by storm. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to create impressive AI generated videos with ease. So to get started, let's go ahead and access Luma AI. And to do that, you want to head over to luma.ai. Click on the tryout button and then you can quickly sign up using your own Google account or your email. It's very simple and straightforward to get started. Once you're logged in, you will land on the homepage where you will see a prompt bar. From here, we have two main options for generating videos, either using text prompts or uploading an image reference. So let's begin with our text prompt. You can either type in your own creative idea or choose from the suggested prompt listed below the bar. You can also look up at what other people generated for some inspiration if you're unsure where to start. But for my first example, I'm going to try out this prompt, and then I'm just going to hit this button to start the generation process. Keep in mind that sometimes due to high demand, it might take a few minutes for your video to generate. You will notice that Luma AI excels in creating realistic videos with high level of motion and impressive identity preservation. This is the most important part as faces and details tend to stay consistent throughout the video, which is quite a feat in AI video generation. If you're interested in generating different visual styles, you can experiment with prompts like car drive in black and white film style, as this would showcase Luma AI's versatility in handling various aesthetic directions. Another great feature of Luma AI is the ability to animate from image references. So let's try this out. I would simply click on the uploader icon next to the prompt bar and then select an image from my computer. For the best results, choose a clear, well-lit image of a person or an object. And then after your image is uploaded, add a simple descriptive prompt, as this will help guide the AI in generating the video while maintaining the essence of your original image. As you experiment, you will notice that close to medium shots of people tend to animate best. Full body shots or complex scenes might result in some kind of distortions, especially towards the end of the second clip. But keep in mind that this is a new tool that's constantly evolving and being updated. Once your video is generated, you can find it in the My Videos section. To download your creations, click on the video and then click on the download button. This will open up a video in full screen. From there, you can click on the Save Video button. It's worth noting that the free version of Luma AI gives you a few generations per month, and there is plenty to experiment and get a feel for the tool. But if you find yourself needing more, then the paid plans are available. I highly recommend that you experiment with different prompts and image references to see what works best if your first generations don't work out as you expected. Also, you should pay attention to the first few seconds of each video as they tend to be the most stable and coherent. As you can see, Luma AI represents a significant leap forward in AI video generation. Its ability to maintain consistency in facial features and detail, combined with fluid motion, definitely sets it apart from many other tools in the field. I encourage you to try Luma AI for yourself. Experiment with different prompts, upload your own images, and see what kind of incredible videos you can create. Let us know in the comment section down below whether you have any other questions. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.